Welcome to the intriguing world of freshwater fish. Did you know there are over 15,000 known species of freshwater fish in the world? More than all the species of birds, mammals, reptiles, and amphibians combined. Indeed, the world beneath the water's surface is teeming with life, rich with diversity, and full of surprises. Freshwater fish inhabit a wide variety of habitats across the globe, from the smallest creeks to the mightiest rivers, from tranquil ponds to bustling wetlands. They're the lifeblood of these ecosystems, playing a vital role in maintaining balance and contributing to the overall health and diversity of our planet. Visualize the shimmering scales of a school of tetras, darting through the undergrowth in a South American river, or the impressive display of a peacock base, its vibrant colors unmatched in the animal kingdom. Envision the fascinating adaptations of an electric catfish, using its natural abilities to navigate and hunt in the murky waters of African rivers. These are just a few examples of the incredible variety of freshwater fish. But it's not only about the exotic and unusual. Freshwater fish are a critical part of human life as well. They provide a significant source of protein for billions of people around the world, and their habitats offer us a range of services, from water purification to flood control. They also play a role in our leisure activities. The thrill of angling for a prize trout, the tranquility of maintaining an aquarium at home, the joy of observing the underwater world on a snorkeling trip. Freshwater fish enrich our lives in ways. Whether it's the humble carp or the majestic arapaima, the playful guppy or the elusive ghost knife fish, each species has its own story to tell, its own role to play in the intricate tapestry of life beneath the surface of our planet's freshwaters. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of freshwater fish. From the tiniest guppy to the gigantic arapaima, freshwater fish come in all shapes and sizes. This is a realm of diversity that boggles the mind, a vibrant tapestry of life that is woven in the rivers, lakes, and ponds across the globe. Picture the rainbow of colors that flash beneath the surface of the water. Brilliant blues, radiant reds, and glowing greens. Each species of freshwater fish dons a unique palette of vivid expression of their individuality. But this diversity is not just skin deep. Consider their shapes and sizes. The slender, streamlined body of the pike, designed for lightning-fast attacks, contrasts starkly with the flat, disc-like profile of the stingray, perfectly adapted for life on the riverbed. And what about size? Freshwater habitats are home to the diminutive neon tetra, barely measuring an inch, living alongside the behemoth known as the beluga sturgeon, which can grow to be more than 20 feet long. Yet, the diversity of freshwater fish extends beyond physical characteristics. These creatures have evolved remarkable adaptations to thrive in their respective habitats. For instance, the mud skipper, a fish that spends a significant amount of time out of water, has developed pectoral fins that function like legs, allowing it to walk on mudflats. Then there's diet. Some fish, like the piranha, are notorious carnivores, while others, such as the silver dollar fish, are primarily herbivores. And let's not forget the unique reproductive strategies. From the mouth-brooding cichlids, who carry their eggs and young in their mouths for protection, to the annual mass spawning events of the coral fish, synchronizing their reproductive efforts with the lunar cycle. Survival techniques also vary widely. Some fish rely on speed and agility, while others, like the pufferfish, inflate their bodies to deter predators. These adaptations are what make freshwater fish a fascinating study. They remind us of the creativity of nature, the resilience of life, and the sheer diversity that exists within a single drop of fresh water. Imagine the sauce. Imagine a fish longer than a human being. Yes, such giants do exist in the world of freshwater fish. First, let's voyage to Southeast Asia, specifically the Mekong River. Here resides the Mekong giant catfish, an astounding creature that can grow up to 10 feet in length. That's taller than most basketball players. This behemoth isn't just big. It's also one of the most endangered species on the planet. The Mekong giant catfish is a filter feeder, sifting through the river's sediment for delicious morsels of algae and plankton. This gentle giant is a testament to the incredible diversity and scale of life that freshwater habitats can support. Now, let's journey to the Amazon basin, the home of the formidable arapaima, one of the largest freshwater fish in the world. The arapaima can reach lengths of up to 15 feet, almost the size of a small car. Unlike the Mekong giant catfish, the arapaima is a predator, feasting on other fish and even small birds. One of the arapaima's unique features is its ability to breathe air. In the oxygen-deprived waters of the Amazon, this adaptation allows the arapaima to survive and thrive. But these two species are just a glimpse into the world of freshwater fish giants. There are other colossal creatures, like the alligator gar in North America and the European Wells catfish, each with their own fascinating stories. Each species, with their unique adaptations, not only contributes to the ecosystem, but also adds to the allure and mystery of freshwater bodies. Living in rivers and lakes, these aquatic titans navigate their world with a grace that belies their size. They are masters of their domains, commanding respect from their fellow inhabitants. Their existence reminds us of the wonders that lie beneath the surface of our planet's freshwater bodies. These giants truly make freshwater bodies their own kingdom. Not all heroes wear capes, and in the freshwater world, the smallest fish often play the biggest roles. Did you know that many small freshwater fish serve as the backbone of their ecosystem? These tiny swimmers, often less than a few inches long, play a pivotal role in maintaining the balance of life under the water's surface. They are the unsung heroes, the ones that keep the ecosystem ticking like a well-oiled machine. Let's take the humble minnow as an example. This tiny creature, often overlooked due to its size, is a critical player in the food chain. Minnows feast on algae and other small organisms, helping to control their population. In turn, they provide a valuable food source for larger fish and other predators. This cycle of life is crucial for maintaining a balanced ecosystem. Or consider the neon tetra, a vibrant little fish that adds a splash of color to rivers and aquariums alike. These small fish, with their iridescent blue and red stripes, are not just eye candy. They also play a vital role in their habitats by consuming small invertebrates and plant matter, contributing to nutrient cycling in the water. And let's not forget about the guppies. These tiny, lively fish are the janitors of many freshwater habitats. They help keep the water clean by consuming algae and detritus, breaking it down into smaller, more manageable pieces. This aids in the decomposition process and helps to recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem. These small fish species, and countless others like them, are the unsung heroes of freshwater environments. They play a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of these ecosystems. often going unnoticed and unappreciated. So the next time you spot a tiny fish darting around in a river, a lake, or even in your aquarium, take a moment to appreciate its role in the grand scheme of things. Remember that in the world of freshwater habitats, every creature, no matter how small, plays a part in sustaining life beneath the surface. It's clear that size doesn't always matter in the freshwater world. Despite their diversity and importance, freshwater fish face numerous threats. One of the foremost threats is habitat loss. As we reshape our world, damming rivers, draining wetlands, clearing forests, we destroy the habitats where these fish live. What was once a thriving ecosystem, teeming with a variety of fish, can quickly become barren. Also poses a grave threat. Chemicals from agriculture, industry, and households seep into our waterways, contaminating the water. These pollutants can cause disease or death in fish, and can also harm their eggs and young. Even light pollution can disrupt fish behavior, affecting their ability to feed, reproduce, and evade predators. Then there's the pressure from overfishing. Freshwater fish are a vital source of food and income for millions of people worldwide. However, excessive and unregulated fishing can deplete fish populations faster than they can recover, leading to their decline or even extinction. But it's not all doom and gloom. There's a lot we can do to protect these freshwater fish. Conservation efforts are underway around the world to safeguard these species and their habitats. Projects aim to repair damaged ecosystems, creating or enhancing habitats for fish. Efforts are also being made to reduce pollution, from implementing cleaner farming and industrial practices, to educating the public about the effects of pollutants. Sustainable fishing practices are another key part of the solution. These include setting limits on the number and type of fish that can be caught, and implementing closed seasons when fish are breeding. Research is also vital. By studying these fish and their ecosystems, we can better understand their needs, their threats, and the most effective ways to protect them. The future of freshwater fish lies in our hands. Together, we can make a difference. And it's not just about saving fish. By protecting these species, we're also preserving the health of our freshwater ecosystems, and ultimately, our planet. As we've seen, freshwater fish are a diverse and fascinating group of creatures. They inhabit a remarkable variety of habitats across the globe, from the highest mountain streams to the deepest lake beds. They come in all shapes and sizes, each species perfectly adapted to its unique environment. Let's take a moment to marvel at their diversity, from the vibrant multicolored neon tetras of South America to the powerful predatory pikes of North America. These fish are a testament to the power of evolution and the beauty of nature. We've encountered the tiny guppies and the gigantic Mekong catfish, each playing their role in the intricate web of aquatic life. These fish are not just beautiful, they are also masters of adaptation. They have evolved a myriad of mechanisms to survive in their respective habitats. The lungfish, for instance, can breathe air and survive in dry conditions, while the electric eel can generate shocks to navigate and hunt in murky waters. We've met the giants of freshwater fish, like the beluga sturgeon, whose size is as impressive as its longevity. And we've also met the smaller species, like the sparkling gourami, whose size doesn't prevent it from displaying a captivating charm. Large or small, each fish has a role to play. in maintaining the health and balance of our freshwater ecosystems. But these ecosystems are under threat. Pollution, overfishing, habitat loss. These are just some of the challenges that freshwater fish face. Yet, there is hope. Conservation efforts across the globe are striving to protect these species and their habitats to ensure that the wonders of freshwater fish continue to thrive. Next time you gaze into a river, lake, or aquarium, remember the wonders that lie beneath the surface. Until our next aquatic adventure, keep exploring. Thank you for watching this week's episode Wild Wonders Animal TV.